Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a quick and easy meal prep tip that's perfect for your weight loss journey. Here I use these hearts of romaine lettuce. For some protein, I'm using this real good chicken strips. They're low in carbs and high in protein, making them a great choice for weight loss. And also these nutrient-packed broccoli sprouts. Then what I did is I sauteed some onions and bell peppers for some extra flavor and nutrients. I love this type of lettuce for lettuce wraps and salads. I added some pastrami and some provolone cheese for a delicious combination of flavors and even more protein. And there you have it, a variety meal prep that is easy to make and packed with healthy ingredients to support your weight loss goals. This was a really delicious meal prep. I hope you give this a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy meal tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.